regularly. Using big numbers, you can do digits, and then you have to crank once and then you can get a total. So there's a total there. Now we're going to show a secret. This has a device you can split the machine. There's two little buttons, but if I push the right hand lever up, there's a left hand for 2-digit 7. There's a right hand lever to get 4 digits and 5 digits. So I will now demo that. I could add again. Now to get to a left side of a split, I do my number and I add 5 zeros. And I do again a number. And that's giving me, and now I'm going to take a total. And we now have two totals, a left total and a right one, using the splitter in here. And then I'll turn out the splitter. Now to subtract on here, we could do 45, adding, and then I'm going to do minus 13. And I hold down minus, and then I crank it once and it'll give me a total. If I go below 0, the total will be a row of 9s. So this actually works, and the bell on here will engage the bell, and it'll actually, it can be set for larger numbers, but we'll do a couple here to get it to ring. And the bell rings, and then I'll crank it once and I can get a total again. And that demonstrates that the bell is working. And another feature on this one, you can move the carriage of the lever. There's 5 settings for a carriage. The middle is, and if you use a bigger sheet of paper, and it also has a non-print button here. You can do non-print, and over here there's non-add, so I can do total numbers here, and I can do non-add, and they'll actually print, but they won't add. I can do again a non-add, and then if I do it again, it'll print a 0 total because it lists but doesn't add. And if I want to multiply, I'll do 462 times 126. And I'll hold this down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have to add another 0, hold them down, 1, 2, and another 0, and I'm only doing 1, and I'll have to do a blank crank. I'll get a subtotal, and then now I'll do a total. And there we go, 8,212. And this machine, to service it, these front sides come off being pulled forward to access the innards. And then the ribbon on this is red and black, and there's 2 little levers. And this is a correction key, so if I enter something I make a mistake, I can correct it. Or if I entered something I made the last digit wrong, I can backspace it down. And so it's actually a pretty nice working adding machine. We'll do one more test to show it working. And this is just for one total, so we'll take a subtotal, and then we'll add a bit more. We'll add a few more, and then we'll get a total. You have to crank once without cranking it, putting any buttons in to get it. And there's our total. So this is a fully operational adding machine. I hope this helps somebody that wants to know the secret in here, because that's not explained anywhere else. And yeah, thanks for watching.